There is a special kind of magic in games we grew up with. Zelda, The Adventures of Link, Town and Country Zerg designs. They weren't just pixels on a screen. They were whole worlds that we escaped to. And nothing hits nostalgia harder than those first few seconds of every game. Those few seconds that instantly pulled you back into the late nights in front of the TV, controller in hand, heart racing. This isn't just about games. It's about the feeling of being there again.